We are in blue, obviously, and we are headed for Onion Creek Campground. Got a rig with a camper, a couple broken leaf springs. He got a hold of some leaf springs, had to run over to Grand Junction and get them this morning, and then we're gonna run up there and meet him and help him swap them out so he can continue on his way. We got Sean and Mike behind me in the JK, and we're moseying along. Here we go. Good, how are you?
Good. All right, so here we are. It's Onion Creek, and we have found the camper we're looking for. Apparently it needs a leaf spring, and they went and got some parts, and we're gonna put them in. All right, so we got the main leaf here has broken on both sides. So what happened? How do we end up here?
Driving down here about 11 o'clock at night trying to just get to the campground.
Okay.
And when we came down that big dirt hill, at the bottom of it was a massive washout. Yeah, when our trailer hit it, it broke both of our leaf springs at the same time.
Yeah, right there. Look at this. Wild.
Okay.
Okay, there's that.
There it is. Snapped right off.
And then are these equal front to back, or are they the same, or are they?
Should be same.
Okay.
All right, Sean, can you go up with the camper a little?
Really?
Yeah. More. Good.
Looking pretty good. Okay, there's that one.
Bingo.
Oh, there you go.
More.
Yeah, that's good. Good.
Yeah, thank you. You guys are more than amazing. You're a lifesaver, really. Like, we've been here a couple days, and so thank you for getting us back on the road.
Yes, thank you.
So yeah, we got out here. Got a leaf spring swap. They grabbed, like I said, they grabbed them from Grand Junction, so we threw them in real quick. Anyway, we like leaf springs. We're team leaf springs.
Yeah.
Woo! Hey, you don't get a cheer anymore, Mike. You went team coilover.
Oh, you're right.
Anyway, here we are. We're heading back down on to the next adventure. Thanks for watching.
We are going out on a recovery. Requires the trailer. We call it the rollback.
We're coming in the bottom. Sean's going around the top to pick up the customer at Island in the Sky, and then come down Shafer and meet us at the vehicle. And we're gonna hopefully get there before them, so we can figure out how to get a Ford Focus on our trailer. Here we go.
sunset anyway. We got another recovery happening here.
Well, that's our Wes's thing.
Found the car out here down in Canyonlands. Anyway, this is the owner.
What's up?
So he brought a Ford Focus out here and he's doing great. Made it all the way through, but his ignition. Something wrong with the ignition. We're waiting for Mike and Rory.
So much action. There we go. Looks like we found a neutral.
Yeah.
Okay. Passenger? A little more passenger? Yeah, looking good.
Little driver, Sean, right there, right there. Good. Go and park, set the e-brake.
I think Rory hates the way I do it.
That's not
Just
true.
come around this way, loop around, and right back into itself. Like that. Look at that. Heads.
Heads?
Heads.
Heads for what?
You decide
All
that.
right. Whether we go up, Shafer.
Yeah.
Heads for up.
Tails.
Tails, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, let's go up Shafer.
I love it. Nothing. Nothing to see here.
No! I know what you're talking about. How was it pulling that trailer through that road?
Ah, not bad. Just bumpy, slow.
Oh yeah, for sure. What do you think about going up Shafer switchbacks?
No big deal.
Alright, cool. We'll be behind you guys.
All right.
Sorry, we're trying to look for good lighting.
No big deal.
How was it?
No big deal. I didn't wear my seatbelt.
Had the door kind of open.
Just
Like.
a little bit. But yeah, there's another one in the books. Here we are. Thanks for watching.
Blinded by lights. Blinded.
Oh.
Oh. You want me to hold it for you?
I didn't know.